right under them and it's going to be horrible. It's not so, but it's sunny enough out there. Out there, he's right, you know the weather. Little crap flight out and a good flight in.
Landing was better this time.
That was nice. Woo!
Where are we going?
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Manchester's Terminal 1 local time, just approaching 10 minutes to 3. That's a couple of minutes ahead of our schedule. We'd ask please that you do remain seated now with your seatbelts securely fastened, leaving all of your hand baggage safely stowed till the aircraft is fully parked. The captain switches off the fasten seatbelt signs and you have been requested to disembark. Before leaving us today, please do make sure you take all your personal belongings with you, checking the seat pockets, underneath the seats and in the overhead lockers. However, do take care when opening lockers in case baggage has moved during flight, which may fall out causing injury. The use of devices for messaging, calls or internet access is still not permitted to you while inside the terminal building, and we'd also to remind you smoking is not permitted until you've reached a designated smoking area that will be clearly marked. If you need to rent a car whilst here in Manchester, then Easyjet would like to recommend our car rental partner Europe Car. Just visit their desk in the terminal building with proof you have flown with us today and to receive a discount over standard airport rates. For the best deals on car rental, do book early with Europe Car via easyjet.com. Any passenger today over the age of 18 travelling on e-passports, that's passports containing the microchips, you are invited to clear border control much more quickly at Manchester. Simply follow signs to e-gates and a member of staff will be on hand to offer further assistance. Well, gentlemen, on behalf of Easyjet Airlines and your entire team of crew today, we do hope you have enjoyed your flight with us. We'd like to wish you all a very safe and a pleasant onward journey to your final destinations. Once again, thank you and a very good afternoon.
Дами и господа, моля, останете по местата си с закопчани колани, докато символът изгасне. Всички мобилни телефони и всякакви други устройства за изпращане на съобщения, обаждания или достъп до интернет трябва да останат изключени, докато вратите на самолета бъдат отворени. Моля, уверете се, че сте прибрали всичките си вещи. Проверете в джоба на седалката, под седалката и в отделенията над главите си. Внимавайте, когато отваряте отделенията, в случай, че нещо изпадне. Пушенето не е разрешено, докато не достигнете до специално обозначените зони за пушене. Благодарим ви, че избрахте да летите с нас днес. От името на командира и екипажа ви желаем безопасно и приятно по-нататъчно пътуване.
Let's see all of our suitcases now, look.